Hey, keep social distance. Why you dey touch me? Even for us, we dey keep social distance.
Social distance,
I beg, social distance for house.
Okay, no problem.
What you want tell me?
Because I'm here.
See,
I won't borrow money from you.
You won't borrow money again?
I won't borrow money.
I want to pay her. You dey what?
Share a new story now. Federal government say won't pay everybody 30K now.
Now that's the federal government thing. Now you dey tell party. Now you dey wait for.
All of us don't say they work. Everybody don't donate money.
Okay, so what will happen now?
Wait, now just borrow me. They will borrow me 20K. If my own money come and transfer, I will give you.
How much make I borrow you?
20K. My 30K.
If that 30,000, then pay you 30,000. So you can't give me all the 30,000.
Give you the 30,000. I beg.
But I say I don't make 10,000. That 30,000. So which date then go pay us? Because me too, I pay here say then go pay the money.
That wasn't only myself here.
See, I never collect salary. This money now somebody keep her for my hand. So I just dey try make they keep the money. You understand? So no be say you go just use small head for me. Forget say you be head boy. This your head. No get set past me. I go borrow you 20,000. When federal government pay money, you go give me 30,000. Deal or no deal?
I don't tell you I will give. You know I know the lie.
You know the lie.
I know the lie.
I don't trust you. Don't worry. I get your account number. I just pray say make them pay that money today because me too I need money. Okay? Don't worry, make I do the transfer now. Don't worry, I still get your account, okay? I will send you that money. Not be 20,000. I would expect 30,000, okay? That federal government money. Bam. I don't send that, give you. You don't receive a lot?
I don't receive.
Oh better. So when that federal government money come, you know say that they get them. You hear or no hear?
I don't hear.
Now I know say I could expect 10,000 naira again now. Oh voilà. What's in this one? Which fire?
The fire is under control.
In the war? Treasury house in the federal capital territory. God wants.
Fire is under control.
Fire all over under control. Mogbe. Tèmi bá mi.
Ayé mi, tèmi bá mi.
What kind of fire? That's what I mean.
What kind of fire? Owó Nigeria.
That one we cannot.
Hey boy, no be the money wey they talk say they wan share be that one. Hey, wait, hold on. Which kind of fire wey dem burn?
Do I
know?
Abeg, where my money? The money wey I send give you right now.
I don't transfer and give
Transfer, give me. Òun sùn. Where my money go? Where my money?
Bro, take it easy now. Take it easy now.
Abeg, transfer my money give me. No.
Social distance.
Social distance, no dey this one. Forget social distance, no dey this one. Forget that one. Where my money wey I transfer give you now?
I don't use the money now.
No. When you say we hear that news say the finance house don burn.
I don't use a play bet Naija. See the see and sell. I don't use a play bet Naija.
Tèmi bá mi. You use my money play bet Naija.
See, bro, see, no be profit they find. I profit myself at the find. I don't use a play bet Naija.
I go use my money play bet Naija. The money wey I give you right now.
I don't use a play. You dey find profit. I dey find profit. I don't dey like all this kind.
If I dey find profit, na him say make you use my money play the bet Naija.
It is I dey hope on federal government money before. Wetin concern me? How long Nigeria be?
20,000. You use 20,000. See bet Naija.
I no dey hope on. Na profit we dey find.
Wait. So how much you go come make?
You just pray make I chop na 250 as strike. If you come, I fit just pity you. Say man give you.
So that money don't go. I mean,
your own money you don't go. Just dey hope on government. Government pay.
But government now the house finance don't burn.
Your fan do me now.
Head boy, my money.
You go meet federal government.
I gave me federal government. What's it about you? Federal government. Child.